Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I will show you how to order anything you want from Temu for free. Temu is a great app that delivers anything to your door, and with these 100% off coupons, you can save a lot of money. Let me show you how it works. I have the Temu app on my phone and these coupons on my account. I can use them on any order, as many times as I want. How awesome is that? Now, if you want to get these coupons too, just follow these simple steps. First, you need to go to this website called lucidcoupons.com. It has many coupons for different apps and services, but today we only care about the Temu coupons. So just find them and click on the See More button. Here, you will see some amazing coupons. $100 off for existing customers, 100% off, and $100 credit balance. They all work perfectly, and I have tried them myself. For this video, I will use the 100% off coupon. Now, you will see that the coupon code is locked, but don't worry, there is a way to unlock it. Just click on the Unlock Code button, and it will take you to another page. Here you will see that you need to complete 2 tasks to unlock the code. They are very easy and quick to do, and they involve downloading some apps from the App Store. So everything is safe and legit. If you need more help, there is also a video on this page that explains everything in detail. Just watch it and follow the instructions. I'm going to do this now and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm back. It took me about 15 minutes and it was very simple. Now, when you finish the tasks, just go back to the Lucid Coupons website and refresh the page. Then click on the coupon again and you should see the code unlocked. As you can see, it worked perfectly for me. Now I can use this code on any order I want on Temu and get it for free. How cool is that? So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome coupons like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.